am Victor's friend.
I'm Michelle. I'm his cousin.
Okay. My speech today is called A Call to Health. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, also known as the CDC, approximately 40% of American adults aged 20 and older are obese. This equates to around 100 million people. If our government made stricter regulations on the foods they allow into grocery stores and into restaurants, it would greatly decrease the amount of overweight and ill people in America. Through my research on other countries' regulations and food compared to Americans' regulations on food, I've learned how it could change the health of American citizens greatly. If we as Americans make a push for stricter regulations on our food, make healthy foods more readily available and cheaper, and reduce the amount of fast foods we intake, then we can help change the health of our country. According to the National Center for Health Statistics, approximately 36.6% of Americans eat fast food every day. This is 1 in 3 adults in America that eat fast food every day. As for this food that people are eating on daily, here are just a few examples of the caloric values of these meals. A McDonald's McDouble, $5 meal deal is 990 calories. A Burger King Double Whopper meal has over 1,000 calories. And a Shake Shack Double Shack Burger with fries and a shake is over 2,000 calories.
Damn.
The American Heart Association recommends the average lunch should contain around 500 to 700 calories, which is clearly not what these meals are containing. How are Americans expected to be at a healthy weight when the most quick and convenient meals can sometimes reach their daily goal for their calories? There are also 7 major ingredients used in everyday foods in America that are banned from use in other countries. One of those being potassium bromate, which is a dough conditioner that we in America use in bread. According to Consumer Reports, this ingredient can be linked to an increase in cancer risk, yet is still allowed in the United States. Now that we know what the issues are, we can work to start solving them. The first thing that we as Americans need to bring light to is the very convenient, quick calorie-dense meals that are easy to get. If we either A, make these fast food chains healthier, or B, make healthy food options more convenient and affordable for people, then this could greatly improve people's diets. Next is to bring light to the dangerous additives that the government allows companies to put into foods. Countries in Europe have already cracked down on a lot of these ingredients, and this is greatly improving the health of these European countries, and as a result, we can also see that they have a much lower percentage of an obese society, population. So we can make this happen by starting petitions, having marches, and stop going into the fast food places that are slowly destroying our health. Now that we know the problem and the solution, picture this. If we follow these steps, the obesity rates can drop from 40 to 20% in the next 15 years. There would be less vitamin deficiencies and illnesses caused by constant intake of inflammatory and unhealthy foods, and people are overall happier with their increase in quality of their lives due to their newfound health. So, as I've explained, America is in need of new health regulations and food options. If everyone makes a push for stricter regulations on our foods and makes healthy foods more available and reduces the amount of fast foods we eat, we will greatly improve the health of our country. As for me, I try to tell everyone about how we can improve the health of our country and just improve the health of our everyday lives. Now, let's see how much change we will be able to see in just the next 5